1 second. Just pause. Just pause. What's up, guys? It's your boy Kelvin Christopher here, and I'm on a hike. And today is a special day because today I'm gonna be reviewing for the first time. Well, let's not call it review. I'm gonna be flying the DJI Air 2S. Excited to take it in the air and show you guys what cinematic video I can do. And what better way to shoot a cinematic video than in nature itself. Stay tuned. Boy, Debbie here, pocket focus. Drone section coming up soon. Gotta work tempo, right? Hold on. Right, okay. This drone is amazing, man.
You need to get the next one, right?
Amazing. I've flown the Inspires, I've flown the Phantoms, but I have quickly fallen in love with the Air 2S. It's really cool. Loving it.
You're also to the seat, right?
My battery bed here too.
Huh?
My battery bed.
Okay. After that.
Yo, this drone is amazing. I really love the fact that it came with the ND filters. Right now I have on an ND16 and I'm shooting at 60 frames per second, and of course doubling that with 1/120. So shooting in D-Log mode, definitely you're gonna see how the color grade for this comes out. I did some amazing shots. The sensors are great. There's no side sensors, but I'm not accustomed to sensors. I'm accustomed to flying the Phantom 3, which has 0 sensors. So this for me is not a problem. The screen, I've heard rumors that the screen is reflective in bright sunlight, but I beg to differ. This is amazing in sunlight. It's the smart remote, guys. Stay tuned because we're gonna make an amazing cinematic film out of this, all right? Roughly 30 minutes. Very good. Majority of the shoot was with one battery. I got the Fly More combo. This is the second battery now. And I doubt we'll actually have to use the third battery. So, see that guy over there? We're gonna, well, you probably can't see him, it's far, but we're gonna get a shot of that with him fishing. Devin is gonna run over, right, Debbie? And ask for his permission or not. We'll see. So I had lots of fun flying the Air 2S. It was awesome, really awesome. But right now, it's time to whip out this puppy and have some more fun. Boy, let's stop this one home. Alright, so I ran out of SD space, but this is the wrap-up session. It was fun flying the FPV without crashing once again. My heart is in my ass, but hey, it was great. Remember to like and subscribe the Viva Caribbean page. All right. click on the notification bell to keep up with the updates. Okay? And look out for more wonderful videos like this, because the adventure keeps going even with COVID. Peace out. Enjoy the FPV footage right now. What we've been doing here all the time. Alright, so yeah, there we go. Nice shot for the foot. To take us from the last side. And I'm going to do a quick pan that way. Well, actually, I don't do this way because I don't want to get my feet wet. A quick pan and then just pull out like a drone. So, y'all definitely need to go back in the bush, because I want to see y'all. You guys ready for that? Alright, so you guys understood? So you guys are going to come and just walk straight between here. Okay. And I'm going to be to the left of you. Alright guys, and action. Alright, we gotta go back in the bush before Debbie gets us in the shot. Heading back. Alright, let's go home. That's a wrap. That's a wrap.
Oh, we can't go up from here?
You want to walk up there? No? No, there's a steep hill going up there to the road up there. No, you're alright. It's easier to go back this way. Okay, so let me fast forward a little bit. Okay. Oh, that's cool.
Nice.
And there we are running up there.
Doesn't look like he's walking his child, right?
Huh?
Doesn't look like he's walking his child?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, God.
Everything you need to clean. I need to say 5'11" and a half. I'll stop saying 5'11".
Thank you very much. I'd like to think so. I'm gonna claim that.
So how you enjoyed the shoot today?
I loved it. I really did. It was a great adventure. It actually took me to a part of Antigua that I never saw before. Yes. So I really love this, and makes me appreciate my land more. Just want to jump into the water now.
We need to get on.
Nice.
Okay.
She looks.
What about you?
It was fun.
Man, a few words.
Yes, I just met Carlin today for the first time.
And he's your lover for this video, isn't it?
Yes, and we're gonna continue our love affair in 2 weeks.
All right.
Yes.
Awesomeness.
Yeah.
All about the job.
Love the thought.
Thank you.
Like swimming. Gives me life.
So now, Kevin, how did you get into New York City looking out of a window?